Traditional stained glass panels are gorgeous, but putting them together requires a diamond bit grinder and several specialty tools. Fake the look with some quilting tape and rubbing alcohol. You'll need glass cleaner and paper towels, 1/4-inch thick quilter's tape, a razor blade, glazier points, 91% or higher rubbing alcohol, pliers, 3 2-ounce plastic bottles with lids, 3 permanent colored markers and 1 black marker, and a ruler or other straight edge. You'll also need a picture frame with glass, aluminum foil, a can or two, safety glasses, a level, and a long multi-purpose lighter. Please don't use a small standard lighter for this project. First, take the markers apart with the pliers and remove the inner ink. Use the razor blade to slice the protective outer plastic so the inside is exposed. Place the marker ink in a plastic bottle. Then fill it about 3/4 full with the rubbing alcohol. I'm making only 3 colors for this project as I found that more than 3 didn't give me the impact I was going for and just mixed together. Allow the inks to sit for a day and soak. Next, remove the glass from the frame and clean it off. Bailey's version of clean leaves streaks, so I'm using glass cleaner and paper towels. Draw a pattern on one side of the glass with the black marker and ruler. I'm creating a geometric pattern with only straight lines as this will be much easier to construct with the tape. On the other side, go over your marker lines with a quilter's tape. These will be your faux lead lines. Press the tape down very firmly with your fingers once you have it in place. You don't want any ink to bleed underneath. Flip the glass back over and remove all of the marker with the glass cleaner. Find a fire-safe setting, an open spot outdoors or inside a large fireplace. Please use common sense here and don't do this step on the stove or on the kitchen table. I'm just saying. I'm using my fireplace as my glass will fit inside. Prep the area underneath where your glass will sit to catch any extra ink that may drip off of the sides. I'm lining the area with aluminum foil. Prop the glass over the foil with a can or two. Use the level to ensure the glass is straight, as this will keep the ink on the surface. Once level, drip your inks all over the surface of the glass in random patterns. With your safety glasses on and all hair, fur, and filmy sleeves pulled back, stand clear and use the long lighter to ignite the surface of the glass. I have experience in glass fusing, so I was initially concerned that the glass would crack once I lit the alcohol. However, the glass doesn't get hot enough as the alcohol burns off quickly. It will be warm to the touch, but not hot, and not hot enough for the glass to break. Allow the alcohol to burn off and the glass to cool for a bit, about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, repeat the process for a second and third time and allow the glass to fully cool. Remove the tape to reveal your faux lead lines. If any tape residue remains, use a razor blade or a glass cleaner-soaked cotton swab to carefully work it off. Avoid touching any ink areas as the cleaner will take off the color. Return the glass to its frame and secure in place with a few glazier points on each of the 4 sides. If the points are hard to push in, use a flat blade screwdriver to drive them in. Display in front of a window for a colorful, light-catching focal point. On the fly DIY.